Welcome to the channel, everyone. This video, I'm going to try and buff out the fiberglass gel coat on our RV. Now, I called my friend Barry from Barry's Collision and Color to get some insight on this stuff, and he told me all the gel coat is just the fiberglass resin with color mixed in. So the color goes all the way through. You're not going to buff it off. And he told me to get some heavy-duty compound. Well, he recommended, and I found some Advanced Auto Turtle Wax, and it's the heavy-duty. It's a pinkish clay kind of color, and it's got a good grit to it. He said you need something aggressive to cut all that oxidation. You're not going to hurt the gel coat. You really got to do some buffing on it. I got the buffer sitting over there. We're going to get started on this, see how it comes out. Okay, I can see where the letters were that I removed. It's nice and shiny underneath. Everything else is pretty dull, oxidized. I'm going to start right where the vinyl was so I can see the difference. And I've got my antique buffer here. All right, it's looking better. It's cleaning up pretty good, but I don't think it's ever going to bring the shine back. You can still see under the old vinyl. And I was also told that that'll never come out. You'll always see that shadow there. As high up as in the air this is, and it's an RV, it's not going to be that big of an issue. And like I said, I got something planned for the front of this anyway. Hopefully it'll hide a lot of that, but I'm going to keep buffing on this and see what happens. I've probably got about 20 minutes into each patch I've done, and it's cleaning up pretty nice. I don't think it's ever going to bring it back completely 100%. You can actually feel the difference. You can feel a little edge where the vinyl letters were. I'm going to continue on and get the whole front of this buffed with this grit compound, then I'll switch to a finer grit. All right, it's looking pretty good. I don't know if it shows up on camera, but I buffed here and this hasn't been buffed. And I can see the difference pretty good. It's all oxidized over in here. This looks pretty nice and clean, shiny. Got the front all buffed out with the coarse compound. I'm going to wash all this down, simple green and hot water. I'm going to change buffing pads and go over it with a finer compound. All right, it's all buffed out. I washed it again with hot water and simple green, get it all cleaned up. And I've been told that you never really get rid of the imprint where the vinyl decals were, and I can still see them, but I think it'll blend in when this thing is done. So Right now, you know just as much as I do about buffing out gel coat, maybe a little more. So anyway, the next video on the front of this RV will be the final one, and that'll show what I'm going to do with this, what I've got planned. Anyway, thanks for watching.